Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I'm Rabia Ahmed and today I will tell you that how to attach lace with your stitched kurta. Friends, it's very important to understand that why I'm attaching the lace. I'm attaching lace to make my shirt more enhancing. Many people attach laces to their shirts to make it larger or widen. As you know, we mostly order online shirts, but they are smaller in size, so it's a very easy way to make it larger by applying the lace. If you want to make it more larger, you can buy a bit bigger lace according to your own choice, friends. But if you want to just add some more colors to your shirt, always choose the color which is not that much in your shirt. Just like the maroon color, I'm choosing the maroon color because it is very less in shirt and it will look more enhancing. And I will friends, it's very easy. Just place the lace a bit behind the kurta and just start stitching. Put it on the back side of the cloth. It's almost done. It's a very easy way to make your shirt larger or widen. Just buy a lace that is a bit longer or a bit thicker. What you're gonna do with this one is to just stitch it well. this is only a technical work during the whole procedure. Friends, it's all ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have learned a lot today from today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. And thank you so much for supporting all my fans, all my subscribers who always support me and always like my video, always watch my video. It really matters a lot, and soon you will see a lot of other informative videos. We are coming up with a lot of stuff for you. So friends, thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.